Hello everybody, my name is Jordan from Primary ICT Support. Today I'm going to be making another quick video tutorial, this time showing you how to add videos and video elements to your Primary CMS website. So to start off, what you'd like to do is just head over to primarycms.com, sign in with your information, and then you'll be able to see, once you've signed in, you'll be on a dashboard like I am with your pages and your options on the right hand side. Now once you're on the dashboard, what you'd like to do to start off is either make a page. Down here in the bottom right, you'll be able to see add a new page. You just want to type in the page name. Secondly, what you'd like to do is do the location, so just click this here and then you'll be able to see the other pages that you have. If you don't have any, don't worry, this doesn't matter too much. You can just literally put it on anywhere in the list. I've just gone ahead and selected About Us, so my page will go under the About Us that you can see here. Okay, so now that I've set up a page and it's ready to go, I'll be able to see there's a little pencil icon next to it on the list. Just like to click this, and then now that you've clicked this, you'll be able to see that you are editing this page. Down in the bottom right, again, we'll be able to see that we have some elements. For the video purposes, what we'd like to do is just hover over the audio/video media and click it. Okay, now that we've done that, again, we'll be able to see more options for uploading our video, and we can also set a title here and a description. I'm just going to fill these boxes out with the information. Okay, so now that I've put in my title and my description that I'd like the users to see when they're watching this video or videos, I'm just going to go ahead and read up at the top where it says the allowed media file types before uploading. So it tells you here that we can have all of these file types, so please make sure that the file that you're uploading does fall under this file type, and then you should be good to go. To upload the video or the audio, you just like to go ahead and click the select files button down here, and then simply just select the video or the audio file that is on your computer. Okay, so now that I've selected it from my computer, I'm ready to just click the green upload button down here. Now this may take some time, of course it depends on the file size, although once it has uploaded you will be able to see that the video is processing, and I'll talk through that once this video has uploaded. Okay, so the video has uploaded. Looking at this, I can see the test video.mp4 is processing. What this means is once it's uploaded, it basically just needs to render itself onto the website. This process does again take some time, it depends on the file size. You just like to check back here once every 5 or 10 minutes just to see if it's finished processing. Now that you can see the video has finished processing, it shows me a video block with a play button and all the other good things that I have here, which is awesome. If you'd like to go back to this video and make some edits to it, for example the title and the description that we did before, all you'd like to do is go over to the page where we're at now, where this video is located. In the top right you will see another green edit button. Just click this and you'll be able to see that we have some options right here. So we have the test video element, which is our gallery name or our gallery title. We have the description, all of this which we set up before. But the new thing that we can see here now is the video that we have that has uploaded. We can give this a caption, and if we were to add multiple videos or audio files, which you can do by clicking the add media button in the top right here, once you've added multiple, you will be able to change the order of them that they are displayed in. You just like to double check that once you make changes to any titles or description that the box does flash green like this. So as you can see, it flashed green. There is no save button, it does this automatically upon you typing in something new. If you need any help or have any questions regarding this, please do make a ticket and our team will be right with you. Thank you for watching this tutorial.